Okay, so that's the first part of Aces High by Iron Maiden. That's the Adrian Smith part. So he's going. He's got one pickup note, that's 6 on the D string, and then he gets into a thing that repeats 15 times. It's got like a palm mute on it. So 6 is the pickup note, and then the repeat phrase is. So it's 7, 9, 6 on the D, and then a staccato note on the 6 of the G, and a staccato note on the 9 of the D. And then that pickup C again, so it's. Again, it does that 15 times, and then the last time you go 7, 9, 7, 6. And then that gets us into Riff B. Okay, so that's 10, 9, 10, 9, 10, 9, kind of a couple pull-offs, so. And then 9, 9 on the G, 10 on the D, and then that time we don't do the second pull-off, so it's 10, 9, 10, 9, 10, and then 9, 12, 12 on the D, and then last 4 notes, we got 9 on the G, and then 12, 10, 9 on the D. So we do this riff 4 times in a row. We got 3, 4. Okay, 4 times of that. Now we're going to look at the Dave Murray, the other guitarist. We're going to look at his intro part now. His is a little different than the... because his doesn't stay the same all the time. So his is going to go... Okay, so he's got a pickup note too. It's the 7 on the A string. And then he's going to the D. 4, 6, 4, 7, 6 to 7 again. So it's... You do that twice, and then you go. You got 4, 5, 7 to 4 on the A string. We got the 7, 6, 7. So it's 2, 3, 4. Twice. That different one. And then back to the 4, 6, 4, 7 one. Now that whole thing repeats 4 times, and then we're gonna have that little slower ending. So this is in harmony, obviously, with the other ones. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that little section ends with. Now to go along with Riff B, where the other one was. We're gonna have this new one. We're gonna have 7 and 5 on the D. Okay, so 7, 5, 7, 5, 7, 5. 2 5s on the G, back to the 7, and then. So here we're gonna have da 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 da. 0, 4, 4, 4 on the G, and then 5, 4 to 7, 5 on the D. Okay, so all together we got 3 and 4 and. Okay, then we get into the verse. The verse is going to have power chords. Okay, that's the verse part 1, so we're going to look at that. That's going to be 7 and 9. We're going. I'm going to talk about just the bass notes on these. 7, 9, 10, 12, 10, 9, 7, 10, 9, 5, 9, 5. And check out the free tabs on this too. And then it ends with 7, 10, 9, 5. So we'll do that again, nice and slow. 3, 4. That would go twice. We're gonna go to the A, B, C. We can kind of hit this special G chord. 5, 5, open, 3, 3. Okay, so let's look at that. We got A, B, C, D. So we're O, 2, 3, and 5 on the bass notes there. And then open 3, 2. And the big 3 to lower 2 and back. And then start the same. End with a O, 3, 2 special G chord, or just a regular G power chord. Okay, so once again on this part 2, this goes twice as well, so it's 3, 4. Okay, you would do that twice, and then we get into this bridge riff. Okay, so we have 5, 7 on the A. It's like 5, 7, 7, 7, 7, and then we switch the first note to this D string one, and then to the 7th right here, and then 5, 4, 7, 5, 4, 7, 5. So I've seen a tab that also said, so it could be either one. They kind of sound the same. Okay, either way, and then it shows one of them ending with 9, 7, 10, 9, 7, where the other one ends with 5, 4, 7, 5, 7. So we got. And that would be like the lower one of those two verses. Okay, then we repeat that bridge. Then we have the chorus is going to go. There's like a one dude has the whammy bar going on that harmonic 5 to 5 there. D to G strings, but we have the E chord for 2 bars, and then C, D, E, and we end up doing that 4 times. We go to that fancy G chord, and then we have E flat to F. That's 6 to 8 on the A there. And one guy just keeps doing that. Whereas the first guy after that, or one of the guys after that G, hits those harmonics and does some whammy bar, dive bomb and stuff. So we end up with. And then after that's played out a few times, we have a new riff. And that's going to go through twice. So that's A power chord, 3, 3, 0, 0 on the A string. 3, 2, 0, 2 hits on the D power chord. Second half goes 3, 2, 0, big 3, A, A. Okay, so first time we got. The second time, the only thing that's gonna be different is the ending. Da, 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 da. So just one hit on the A. So all together on this, we got 3 and 4 and. And then we do that whole thing again. We got a verse, bridge, we got the other riffs, and we got a chorus, we got the Riff C again, then we got Dave Murray's solo. Okay, so we bend the 7 on the G. A lot of fast picking. So you let it down, then you go 5, 8, bend the 8 on the second string. Then we have a so 8, 5, 7, 5, 7, 5, and then so da da do dee. 2 of those to that 7 on the A. So it's okay. Then we get into an open thing. We're going to do a repeating thing. So it's 8-5-0 and 7-5-0. We're going to do that twice to make one measure. And we do 3 measures of that. So it's. Then we slide into the 10, kind of from the 8 on the second string. And we have this fast run. So we have 12, 14, 12, 14 on the D, hammer. So. Okay, that was 12, 13, 12. 14 to the 15, 12, 13, 12, bend the 15, and that's his solo. So the end of that was. Okay, so the whole thing is like. Okay, then we're going to look at Adrian's solo. So his is going to start out with a. So that's a 10, and then a pull off on the second string, 14 to 10, and then that little 10 again, 12 pull off on the second string. So. Now there's 2 extra opens after that 4th time, so it's like. And then we go. So all those notes are pulling off to the open B string. 12, 10, 8, 10, 8, 7, 8, 7, 5, 7, 8, 7, 6 on the G. So we got. Okay, then we're going to slide into the 9 on the D. And then we have 7 to 7, G to B. 10 on the B, so we got. Okay, so slow down, it's 9, 7, 7, 10, 9, 7, 9 on the G. Pull off 9, 7, bend that one. 7, 10, 9, 7 to 9 on the D. Couple pull offs, 9 down to 5. Okay, so it's. And then we get a. Kind of like pinch harmonics, 7 on the second, 10 on the third, 7, 6, and then 9, 8, 7 on the D, 9, 8, 7 on the A. And then. So it ends with an into the 16, middle finger, 3rd string, 15, 17 on the B. Bend it up to the 15, bend that little 17. So we got. Okay, then we're back into that Riff C. You got another whole verse thing in there. You got the bridge again, chorus. You got Riff B from the beginning of the song, the one that was like. So you got the harmony part on that one too, popping in again. Now the outro, we're going to go. Okay, so it kind of slows down after that Riff B. And then 9, 7, 7, 7, 9. Hammer on, pull off, 5, 4. Slide into the 9. Another one of those, 5, 4. And then the last notes are. Okay, and the harmony that goes with that is 5-4-4-4-5, hammer on pull off, 7-5, slide into the A, 6-8-6-5-3, and then the last notes are 5-6-5, 4 on the G, 5 on the G, and then you got a A power chord at the end. All right, ACES high, Iron Maiden, 3 pages of tabs. Hope you dug that. Talk to y'all later.